Want to search your favorite websites directly from ueli without opening a browser first? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create custom search plugins in ueli. We'll set up a new search plugin, test it, and customize it so you can search almost any website with just a few keystrokes. So let's dive in. Start by launching ueli on your computer. Then open the settings window, where you can manage extensions and customize the application's behavior. This is where custom search plugins are configured. Inside Settings, navigate to the Extensions section and look for the Custom Search extension. If it's disabled, go ahead and turn it on. Yeah, this extension lets you create shortcuts for searching websites directly from ueli. Next, choose the option to add a new custom search. Give your plugin a descriptive name, select a short keyword or trigger, and enter the website's search URL. Make sure the URL includes the proper search parameter so your search term can be inserted automatically. Once everything looks correct, save your new search plugin. It should immediately appear in your list of available custom searches and be ready to use. Now close the settings window and open the ueli launcher. Type your custom keyword, followed by the words you want to search for, and press enter. So your default browser should open the website with your search results already loaded. If you ever need to make changes, head back to the custom search extension. You can edit the keyword, update the search URL, rename the plugin, or delete it if you don't need it anymore. It's very easy to keep your searches organized, and that's it. You've successfully created a custom search plugin in ueli. Once you set up a few of your favorite websites, searching the web becomes much faster and more convenient. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.